Do I want a butt or a middle?
The one thing that both of these are missing are crumbled potato chips on top.
There you go.
Just drink this segment away. It might be okay.
Drop it like it's hot.
I love lobster rolls.
I love buns, big buns.
It looks really good. I've never had a lobster roll before, so.
It looks pretty basic, which is fine. You don't want to get too fancy. There's little bits of what look like green onion, scallion kind of thing going on.
Very, very classic.
The one thing that both of these are missing are crumbled potato chips on top.
It's really good because the bun is like super buttery. That's how you know you're eating a good lobster roll.
There's not a lot going on flavor-wise. There's no like spicy hint. There's no mystery to it.
I feel like I could make this. I'm not wowed.
The second one's got more green, some sort of leafy green.
Arugula and capers. This has to be Giada's.
Arugula? Who puts arugula on a lobster roll?
I am intrigued by this.
Oh,
Ooh, that's good.
this is gonna be tough.
Oh, it's so Giada. Ooh, I think is there tarragon in this? Did I get it right? Yeah.
Whatever green stuff is happening is better. It like takes away from the extreme lobster flavor, but I like it.
Number 2 has more flavor.
Going with number 2.
Number 2.
I guess I'm gonna pick Giada's then. Sorry, Martha. You should be locked up for your boring lobster roll.